Hi, second graders. It is Mrs. Ward here. I hope you all had a great weekend. I noticed that many of you have been working very hard on your weather research project. Today, you are using your graphic organizer to write into sentences for your research paper. You are going to answer the first question on the paper. So you can upload it and type in it, or you can print it out and write on it, or you can just take a piece of paper and make it look just like this. Where does this extreme weather occur? Droughts occur. My extreme weather is droughts. So I'm going to start my sentence with that word. Droughts occur in, and I'm looking at my graphic organizer. So turn your eyes over here. Locations: Australia, Ethiopia, and the Great Plains. Droughts occur in Australia, Ethiopia, and the Great Plains. They can occur all over the world. If you look back at my graphic organizer, my next part says all over the world, but places with a warm climate, high winds, and low rainfall. So that is another piece of information, but it's not in a complete sentence. So I have to put it into a complete sentence that makes sense. They can occur all over the world, but places, oh, my comma's in the wrong place, but places with a warm climate, high winds, and low rainfall are more likely. So I put that into sentences. Then you are going to go to the bottom. The bottom says, are certain areas in our country more likely to have this extreme weather? If you look at my graphic organizer, it says Southern Hemisphere. So they are more likely to happen in the Southern Hemisphere. Droughts are more likely to happen in the Southern Hemisphere. So I have written this part of the graphic organizer into sentences. So you are going to use your graphic organizer to write in sentences. You can do this all in one day, or you can do it in two. Each section will have 2 days to complete. So you can take your time writing your sentences and going back and making sure they make sense. I want to just add here over here another sentence to this section. Are certain areas in our country more likely to have this extreme weather? And in our country, the Great Plains are more likely to have this type of weather. So the Great Plains are more likely to have droughts. Do you see how I'm using the words more likely from the question in the sentence? You can do that too. So you are going to get your graphic organizer out. You can do one section at a time, one section today, and then one section tomorrow. So this could be today, this section tomorrow. If you have any questions, let me know. Happy writing!